Let us solve one problem from this JEST Physics 2024 paper. The problem states that what is the output voltage V0 and current I in the 10 kilo ohm resistance of the following circuit and given Vi equal to 0.5 volt. So this is an op-amp circuit with inverting feedback. So we have Vi is given as 0.5 volt, Ri is given as 10 kilo ohm and Rf is given as 25 kilo ohm. Rf is given as 25 kilo ohm, right? So as this inverting terminal is grounded, so due to the virtual ground condition of the op-amp, so this point is also having a potential of 0 volt, right? So we will calculate the current I through this resistance 10 kilo ohm. So I can be written in this form: I equal to Vi minus 0 by 10 kilo ohm, or we can write that Vi is 0.5 by 10 milliampere, or we can 0.05 milliampere I, right? Then we need to find the output V0. So this current only flows through the output, as here the impedance is very high. So we will calculate V0. So we'll have V0 will be, we know for the inverting amplifier, minus Rf by Ri into Vi, right? So Rf is 25 by Ri is 10 into Vi is 0.5. So we'll have minus 1.25 volt V0. So the current and so our required current is 0, or we can write that it is 50 microampere, and the voltage is minus 1.25, so which matches to our option A of the given problem, right? Hope the solution is clear. So thank you.